What's up, y'all? I'm back with another video. I know I've been a little off the grind lately, which is disappointing to a few people, but we're coming back for good this time, hopefully. I've been uploading like twice a week. I've been slacking. I don't know if I'm gonna promise every day because high school is kind of a lot more busier than I've been last year, but I'm gonna try and do more than I have. I'm definitely gonna try and upload every day of the weekend. So y'all look forward to that. And let's hop straight into the video. You know how we're starting it. With the burnout. My dad's been trimming this field on every now a little bit, and he ain't really done it much. He just got a little bit of it done. We still ain't got much rain. I gotta fix my hat real quick. They finally scraped the road. That's why I rode through the field, because I ain't trying to make it get messed up again, because it's been awful. My dad's at the house. He was siding in and making sure his gun was siding in. Now he's just cleaning it for deer season, because tomorrow's adult season. I went a couple of times this week. I recorded one time. I only went one time, I think, yeah. And I recorded. And I ain't really, man, because last night I went to the fair, night before. What did I do? Oh, I went to the church. Tuesday night's when I uploaded, I think. Know what I was doing Monday night, but it's finally Friday, so I figured I gotta come through with the video for y'all. Because I was feeling bad for not uploading in a while. See how dried up over here is. Over there is still probably really muddy, and over here. Do we try to go through it is the question. You know we are. Oh yeah, it's really dried up. It ain't even that muddy no more. I don't like all these sticks and stuff we've got up here, to be honest with you. This still got a lot of clay in it. Look how deep the ruts are, my God. Dang, we about to roll. That didn't look good for a second. These tires do burn out. It's way better than Outlaw 3s. That is one thing I love about these. It turns these pretty good in the mud and on them. At least in first gear. Second, it struggles in the mud a good bit. But for it to have 32s, it turns them really good, and it's all stock in the motor. And it has like a bad top end. Oh yeah, this ain't even bad. It's just dried up. It's like back there. Shoot. Dang, I don't even know what happened. I think I just came out the rut. It ain't even mud, it was just dirt. And the way my tires got. Well, y'all, peace out. I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe. And even share with a friend if you don't mind. I'd appreciate it. Peace.